श्रीनूत्नरङ्गेन्द्र यतौ समर्पितस्वं श्रीकृष्णमार्यं गुरुवर्यमीडे विरोधे कार्तिके मासे शतताराकृतोदयं योगाचार्यं कृष्णमार्यं गुरुवर्यमहं भजे. This is a prayer on Desikacharya. Shri Krishna. Krishna Suri Daya Patram Jnanavairagya Bhushanam Srimat Venkatanathāryam Vandeham Yogadesikam. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanta Shanta Shanti. So obesity, the topic, and you all know more about obesity than me. So according to who? WHO, overweight and obesity are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that presents a risk to health. Obesity, as long as it does not bother you, it is not a problem. It becomes a problem when it is over. Your body mass index over 25 is considered overweight, and over 30 is obese. When you become obese, when you are not able to tackle it, when your own body weight becomes a problem for you to do all your normal work, then the problem starts. So what is the ideal weight? So immediately the question comes, what is the ideal weight? It should be the weight that is kind to your body. This is what I read in the latest book written by Rujuta Divakar. I think you all know. She is a dietitian who is very famous. She has written a recent book. I came across this. It should be weight that is kind to your body. If it is kind, fine. Because you cannot reduce it overnight. In June 23, the American Medical Association asked to make physicians conduct assessment by considering weight to hip ratio. That is very important in obesity, in finding out whether the person is obese or not. The waist to hip ratio is very, very important. The visceral fat, exercise frequency, etc. before making any conclusion about obesity. And the latest research presented in the Lancet journal in January 25 also revised the definition of being overweight or obese. It wants us to move beyond body mass index to now include more parameters like waist measurement, musculature, etc. Whether he is uniform, that is very important. A person may be obese and may be able to do more asana than a person who is lean. It is very practical, it can be seen. So, the topic is management of obesity. Every one of us is different. Just as we have 5 fingers, all the 5 fingers are different, but all of them is needed to work. So all human beings share some common properties, possess a similar structure, which has similar qualities, bodies with legs for walking, hands for working, breathing for life. Mind understand objects, subjects in a similar way. They differ completely when it comes to functioning. And you know all because of the vasana, the accumulated thing that we have, that we bring when we are born, the baggage that we carry with our